Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm. When there's a drop of rain, we are out and we're recording it. It makes us happy. This is the culvert under the road, caused this erosion gully. And we have built a few structures to slow down the flow. This one is full, that one is full. Let's see what this newly made funny structures of mine did. So the first one, the water goes through, but that's also okay. Second one, water goes over. Great. This one is almost washed away. This one is completely washed away. This one also. This one is standing its ground. This one is full of water, and then it follows the rest of the system as designed. I hoped it would have fallen in the water, but it's clever to get out of my pushing. Beautiful when the water flows. Soak in. We are spreading the water. Come on. Excellent. I wonder what the farmer's wife, leaky weir dam, stone dam weir, is doing. Wow, water is slowly reaching here. Okay, this is where it is now. Hopefully it will come all the way. Water is leaking through. Excellent. What do you say, farmer's wife, about your engineering?
I'm good.
We know that. Now, the biggest question, the century, or of this year so far, is there water flowing towards the pond? Let's go and have a look. This is the second culvert we have. This is an official creek. It's got a name, Barranco del Moreno, the creek of the brown one. And this is where I tap into, and then with that pipe, the exit is here under the dog. That's the overflow. I don't want this berm to break. And then it flows this way and eventually to the pond. So we had 15 millimeters of rain. I don't think that is sufficient to nourish these swales, and to reach the pond we need a little bit more water. Okay, so this is the first diversion. A nice flow of water. Here is the swale we call the acacia swale, where I planted the acacia carew. Okay, some moreno water, some brown water. Looks more orangey to me. Okay, it's overflowing. I must just help it a bit. Beautiful. Oh, exciting. The water is continuing. Keep going. Here it is. I think this is where it is right now. Yes. So soon, hopefully, it will spill in here, and then the pond is over there. Okay, the first water into this diversion, into the last swale before the pond. Another 50 meters. Come baby, come. I like it. The water now flows strongly into this last swale. I don't think it's halfway yet. Okay, can be. So we'll just have to wait. Here it comes. Not here yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 meters to go to get water into the pond. I will wait. Okay, I think the water did reach the end of this swale, and now a few meters to go. What a experience. Wonderful. Keep going. What a wonderful moment, the water entering the pond. A trickle, but a happy moment. Whoa. I think this will not last long because the rain stopped about 20 minutes ago. Now I must get myself out of here. Wonderful. I'm happy. Till next time. Goodbye.